Whether you're looking to broaden your backyard view or add a dash of visual excitement to your outdoor space, the Westbury Riviera railing system delivers a subtle distinction to help set your deck apart from the rest. Whether selecting one of the in-stock black, white, and bronze textured finishes, or special ordering a shade just for your home, the Westbury Riviera adds even more visual appeal to your deck while protecting family, friends, and pets from slips and falls. With thick walls and a pre-welded base plate at the bottom, the Riviera 3-piece post kit creates a solid foundation for your metal deck railing system. Available for both 36 and 42-inch railing heights, these post kits include the post itself, a post cap, and a 2-piece post skirt for a polished look. Offered in a streamlined 2-inch, moderate 3-inch, or a substantial 4-inch width, Riviera posts can build a railing as robust or as slim as your home needs. Side-mounted fascia posts are also available for setups that seek to make the most of every inch of deck space. The Riviera system can be installed in either a post-to-post layout or a continuous top rail using the low-profile Riviera crossover posts. Slim 2-inch crossover kits feature the same Westbury post topped with a through bracket, allowing the top rail to continue uninterrupted. The star of the Westbury Riviera line is the railing itself, featuring a unique 3-rail design and a variety of profiles to choose from. Finding a model for your outdoor layout is a breeze. From a sleek, open mid-rail to stylish mid-baluster options and even a classic ring design, turning your deck into a uniquely designed space has never been easier. Adding security along with its flair, the creative mid-rail is also highly graspable, keeping family and guests safe while also opening your view throughout. Once you've found the Riviera style that best suits your home, complete the look with a number of accessories. Add a deck board atop your railing for a beautiful yet functional flat-top rail using the drink rail adapter. Or increase the safety while bringing your deck to life at night with brilliant post cap or side mount light fixtures. The Westbury Riviera aluminum railing system provides a first-class look for your favorite outdoor area that's virtually maintenance-free. Help your deck be the talk of the town with the enhanced aluminum appeal of the Westbury Riviera system.